What's going on? Bird Black back with another video. Today's video, I'm installing a winch on the trailer right there. So, I'm installing this winch right here. Harbor Freight, the Harbor Freight, can't go nothing wrong with it. I had this one, can't get parts for it no more, so I'm gonna sell it. So I bought this one. I'm gonna put it on right over here. I already kind of started getting it like ready. Like right here. Oh, let's see. It's kind of hard to see my phone. Right there, two more over there. I got to drill holes right here to put the screws in. Well, I got to drop the tire still. But I got plates made for it to go right there. Plates are over here. Let's see. Boom, right here. I got 2 plates made. So these are going to go on the bottom side of the trailer. That way, like that. I gotta do these holes just a little bit bigger. But yeah, these are gonna go on the bottom. These go on top of the trailer. Not that way. This is gonna go, and it's gonna sandwich the trailer like that. So I gotta get longer screws. It kind of looks a little sloppy. This is just extra wire that gets mounted on top. Right there. That gets mounted on top right there. But yeah, let's bring this over here. This is gonna go about right there. It's a little sloppy right now, but yeah. Put that right there. But I need to hurry up and get this on because this Friday I gotta go pick up a truck that doesn't start, so I need to winch it on the trailer, and then I gotta run the wires you saw. I gotta drill another hole. After those 4, I need to drill another hole like right here somewhere. Run the wiring all the way underneath, down, over. Run it. Drill this hole a little bigger, but then I need to run it in there, run it in here, and then hook it up to this. So let's get started on that. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill the holes in the trailer so I can get the screws so I can mount it, and then from there I gotta drill the other hole, run the wiring. It's tough to get grommets. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna start with like one of these smaller ones. One, because then it's easier to drill, but 2, because I don't know, just kind of, you can kind of see it. It's going to kind of go on the ledge a little bit on all of them. So in order to kind of start cutting that edge, I'm going to start with the small one in the middle, and then I'm going to work my way bigger so I can cut into this. So I'm going to drill a hole. I have no one to film, so I'll catch you guys after I drill a couple holes. All right, so this is why, I made brackets for the bottom side. Well, I didn't get it on video, but these holes, nothing bad. It's just these holes, it's like cutting through butter with at least these drill bits, the Harbor Freight specials. But no, it's like cutting through butter. So with the bracket on the bottom side, it's got more to grab than just this little section. It has a bunch of, I think it's like 9 inches by 4 inches or 5 inches or something. So yeah, whenever you're doing something, make sure it can support what you're doing, because I don't want you pulling 12,000 pounds up this trailer and then this get ripped out because there's not a bracket on the bottom side. So, because what they want, this is what they give you right here. Not very much to grab onto. Well, this thing right here, that goes into the winch and the bolt comes up the bottom, but it's only a little washer that's going to hold it. So all right, I'm going to finish drilling the rest of these till I can fit this bolt into all the holes, and then I got to measure because I need to get longer bolts. So catch you guys in a minute. All right, so I just drilled all the holes. You can see, let's zoom in. Fits in there with just a little bit of play, which, know, because if it's right on, you know, it's probably not gonna fit. But yeah, so drill the holes. Now I actually need to get longer screws so I can mount it. Well, hold on, let me go up there. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Well, real quick, I got these bolts when we were working on the boat. You can see a little bit longer, but same thread and all that. It'll bolt right into this because I need this little thing right here for the winch because it slides into it. But what I was gonna say is, before I mount it, this has sharp edges on it. You can't really see in video, but I'm gonna take the grinder. I'm gonna kind of cut. Oh, I gotta drill this out a little bit because I don't think. Let's see. I don't think it fits, but let's find out. Actually, it probably fits. So, it's a little snug, but if anything, I get the drill bit and just kind of clean it up just a little bit. But I'm gonna get the grinder right there, and then I'm gonna sand all these edges down just a little bit, get the roughness off, then mount it up, see if those screws are long enough for that. I'm gonna sand it down and be right back. All right, I don't know if you can tell on camera really, but I mean you can see it right here. But on the sides, let's see if I put these next to each other. You can kind of see sharp edge and then smooth edge. So we'll do the same thing to this one that I did to this one. All right. Honestly, I don't remember where I left off. I went to the part. I think the last thing is I went to the parts store. That's not it. That's the old one. Oh, I need the thing out of there still. I'll get on in a second. But I got new screws. Yeah. So I'm gonna go up here, take the screws out, go up here. I'm gonna mount it. After I mount it on there, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. But let me go mount it, and I'll be right back with you guys. It's gonna take two hands because I'll show you. Because I gotta put the one plate on, and then I gotta put the winch on top, but make sure they're lined up, and then I gotta go on the bottom side. I gotta hold the plate on there, and then put the screws in. So I need like a couple hands for that. So let's get to it. All right, so you can see right here. I mean, it's not showing a lot right now, but this gets pushed down, and then it'll start grabbing, and then underneath it'll pull this extra slack. But no, that's just kind of sitting in there. There's this bracket right here. Still got to put that one in. But now I'm kind of lining it up right now. See, yeah, it's a little more clear. I'm lining it up right now, so I'm gonna put this screw in this on the other side, and then I'm gonna put Loctite on all the screws, and I'm gonna mount it. So I'm just gonna fast forward to when it's actually installed. All right, so it's the next day. I tried installing it last night. I just kind of had like bore the holes out a little bigger, and then right here I drilled the hole for. Shoot, it's kind of, you can kind of see it. Shoot. All right. So you can kind of see it right here. Drill the hole for the wiring, but it's mounted. I'm about to hook up this right now. About to put that on. But if you go underneath here, there's the plates and all that. Plate on both sides. It's all tightened down. So now I'm gonna put the thing on the cable real quick. Then I need to take the box apart that goes on top because I need to run a different power wire. So put this on and I'll be right back. All right, so like that, it's mounted now. So now let's go take that box apart so I can put a different power wire on it. So this box right here, it screws on top of the winch. I just got to take these 4 Phillips off because this power wire right here ain't long enough to reach the battery because it's like 11 feet away. But yeah, so I need to take this off, get in there, take this off. I got new power wire over there. So that's the old one. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put it on here. But yeah, I just made this, crimped it with, oh shoot, it's still a little hot. But let's see. No, I just heat shrink this. I did the marine one. Makes it stick a little better, but so yeah, this. I don't think I showed after I took this off, but yeah. This goes right in there. Comes out. this will run all the way to the battery. So, only part I'm gonna get done before I have to go back to work is put this on, put that back on. I'm gonna mount this onto the trailer. And then I'm gonna show you over here. So when the box is mounted, I'm gonna connect all these. The underneath right here, this is where, let me see. This right here is where the ground goes. I just gotta pull that off. So I'm gonna make the ground one too real quick. So I'm gonna run the wires just down and through. And then leave it right there till then I'm gonna go back to work, come back home after, and I'm gonna finish running it into here, drill that hole bigger, and then I gotta mount the breaker and all that. I gotta figure all that out still, but yeah, I'm just gonna finish doing that. I'm gonna get back to you guys after I mount it and do all that stuff. So catch you guys back. All right, so I think I was just running the wires. I don't remember where I was last at, but I think it was gonna stay. But yeah, no, the power wires and ground's right there. Come down under, run along the frame, and then that's where I had to stop. So I'll leave that right there for right now. And then I'm gonna get back to it in a minute. So catch you guys in a second. All right, so it's the next day. I don't remember where I left off, but wires ran. I did this today. I had to cut this out with a Dremel, sand down all that, make a circular. So stuff goes in there. Down there. So now all I gotta do is besides zip tying it up, I need to mount the breaker down here. So I gotta try to get down there somehow. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, so it's pretty dark out. I got the light out. I zip tied all the wiring. I still got zip tie right here, but I ran it through. I'm not. Let me set this down real quick. Got the battery in. I'm mounting the thing down there. I'm gonna try something. The wire comes in the bottom of the, goes and cuts straight up to it. Then this is for the power for the winch. It goes to that little breaker, so if it pulls too much power or shorts out, it pops that. So I set the battery in there. I'm gonna hook it all up. I'm gonna see if it all works now. So get back to you guys after it's all hooked up. All right, I got all that hooked up. I don't really like how many wires are there, but there's not much I could do about it right now until I have the cabinets and I make that electrical. But yeah, I already put this down. I'll show that in a second, but right here, let's put that right there. Open this up real quick. That little close. Oh, this kind of takes two hands. Let me lock this in. I'll be right back. All right. So I locked it in. Here's the remote. I'm just gonna hit the N. But see if I can set you up. That. Then boom. It's kind of sloppy. Tomorrow when I pull it out, I'm gonna probably try the truck on it, see, make sure it pulls 12,000. But yeah, goes all the way in. Let's unplug it because it works. And then I'm gonna put that away in a second. Let's show you the tilt. Where's that? Where's the remote? Yeah, it's on the bed, so tilting. It's all the way down. Let's turn the valve. Down. Up. So do that right there. But yeah. So I know it took a couple days, but you know, I gotta make sure I kind of do it neat and all that. So I also take my time. But yeah, the winch is installed right there. Next week, well, there's gonna be Memorial Day weekend, or Memorial video first. I think that's this weekend. There's be a video obviously first, and then I drop it off to get cabinets and all that other stuff put on, and then yeah. So that's gonna do for this video. Installing the winch. Like, subscribe, share, do all that. Tell people, make fun of me. I don't really care. Watch it, don't watch it. I'm probably still gonna post. So catch you guys in the next video.